Have you ever wondered how your brain connects ideas? When you hear dog, you might think of barking, fur, loyalty, or even your own pet. All these ideas are linked in a vast, invisible web inside your mind, a lot like what scientists call a semantic network. A semantic network is a map of knowledge, showing how concepts connect, just like a city map shows roads between places. Instead of a list of facts, it reveals the relationships and pathways between ideas, making complex information easier to understand. This structure helps both humans and computers make sense of the world. Think of it as a blueprint for organizing thoughts, learning, and even teaching machines to think more like us. Today, we'll break down how these idea webs work, using simple, everyday examples. By the end, you'll see how semantic networks are at the heart of how we learn, and how we're teaching computers to learn too. Let's dive in. Every semantic network is built from two parts, nodes and links. Nodes are single ideas, like canary, bird, or yellow. Links are the connections between nodes, showing relationships. For example, a link labeled is a connects canary to bird. A canary is a bird. Another link, has color, connects canary to yellow. Each connection adds detail, building a web of facts that's easy to read. This simple structure lets us map out complex information, like showing that a canary is a bird is an animal, and an animal is a living thing. Nodes can connect to many others, and each link defines a specific relationship. By connecting the dots, we turn a list of words into a dynamic map of knowledge. This is how both people and computers can easily follow and understand information. It's all about building a web, not just a list. The real power of semantic networks is how they organize knowledge in a hierarchy. For example, canary is a type of bird, and bird is a type of animal. This structure, called inheritance, means canaries automatically get all the properties of birds, like having feathers or wings, without repeating information. If we add a new fact to bird, every bird in the network inherits it instantly. The same goes for other examples. A sports car inherits properties from car, but can also have unique features like is fast. This layered approach mirrors how our minds work. General facts at the top, specific details below. When you learn about a new animal, you classify it, inherit general traits, and then add unique details. Semantic networks mimic this natural learning process, making them intuitive and efficient. They help us see both the big picture and the details at once. It's smart, organized knowledge, just like your brain. Where do you see semantic networks in action? Everywhere. Search engines use them to understand your questions, not just match words. For example, asking "What is the capital of France?" connects France to Paris through a has capital link. In science, they map relationships in ecosystems or link diseases to symptoms in medicine, helping doctors diagnose faster. Online shopping sites use them to suggest related products, like linking camera to lenses or tripods. Streaming services recommend movies by connecting genres, directors, and actors. These networks help computers predict what you'll like next by following the links between your interests. It's all about connecting the dots to make technology smarter and more helpful. Semantic networks power the systems you use every day. They make information more useful, personal, and connected. Why are semantic networks so important? They help us organize messy, scattered information into meaningful patterns. Unlike simple lists, they show relationships, revealing how a lion is related to a cat, or how water connects to life, chemistry, and weather. Their flexible, web-like structure mirrors how our brains work, where one idea sparks many others. For computers and AI, semantic networks are a breakthrough. Giving machines common-sense knowledge and the ability to understand language and reason, they're essential for smarter search engines, voice assistants, and medical tools. Studying these networks helps us understand our own minds too. They're a model for how we think, learn, and connect ideas. By building these webs, we push technology forward and deepen our understanding of the world. That's the power of connecting ideas, and that's what science is all about.